Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see another quick and easy breakfast recipe. This breakfast drink is made up of finger millet, which is also known as ragi. Ragi is one of the well-known cereal before few decades. Unfortunately, many of us don't know the nutritional values of ragi and we are not using as frequently as it used to be. Before going to the recipe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you. In this recipe, the first step is to add 2 teaspoons of ragi with little water. This millet can be consumed by any age group. It has lot of nutritional values. It's high in protein and high in fiber, and also it is antioxidant rich. It is also a gluten-free millet, so it can be consumed as a roti or dosa for anyone who is allergic to gluten. After mixing ragi for 10 to 15 seconds, it should be in this consistency. There are no lumps, so when we put it in the boiling water, there won't be any problem. Take a small pan like this and you can add 2 cups of water to it. Once the water started to boil, you can add the mixed ragi mixture to it. It doesn't have to be fully boiling. You can add it when it is warm and it started boiling. Keep stirring it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add a quarter teaspoon of salt or salt according to your taste. Ragi needs to be cooked for 3 to 5 minutes in this water, and when the consistency of the ragi changes to little thick, that's when you know it is cooked. While ragi is getting cooked, you can prepare the buttermilk. For that, take 2 cups and then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd in each of them. Add some water to both the cups and then beat the curd with this water. I'm using a milk frother to beat this buttermilk. You can also use a fork or you can put it in a blender. If you mix it nicely, there won't be any lumps in it, so that kids will enjoy it. Now the ragi mixture is cooked and it is cooled down for 5 to 10 minutes. It's very important to cool down before we add it with the curd. We can add half a cup of ragi mixture to each of this glass. The drink should not be very thick. It should be in the smoothie consistency, so make sure you get that consistency. You can again use milk frother or fork or even blender to mix this mixture. We already added salt while cooking the ragi, so you don't need to add any more salt. Now the ragi drink is almost ready. You can give it to kids directly. I like to eat it with a little bit of onions and coriander. So I'm going to finely cut the onions and add it on top of it. Yummy and healthy ragi malt is ready. This is a great recipe for breakfast, especially in the morning where we are very busy and when kids don't have time to eat. This is the great drink. This drink is very filling. If you want to lose weight, you can replace your breakfast with this ragi malt. Please try this recipe and provide your feedback in the comment section. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel for more healthy and easy recipes like this. Thank you.